The digital world is like a bustling city, full of opportunities and dangers. As we entrust more of our lives to computers, we need skilled guardians to protect our data and systems. This is where ethical hackers come in. Think of them as the good guys of the hacking world, using their knowledge to identify and fix vulnerabilities before the bad guys can exploit them. And when it comes to tools, one name reigns supreme: Kali Linux. Kali Linux is a specialized operating system designed for security professionals and ethical hackers. It's like a Swiss Army knife for cybersecurity, packed with hundreds of tools for penetration testing, forensics, and security auditing. But don't let the advanced tools intimidate you. Kali Linux is surprisingly beginner-friendly, providing a robust platform for anyone interested in learning ethical hacking. The beauty of Kali Linux lies in its accessibility. It's free to download and use, and you can install it on a variety of devices from powerful desktops to modest laptops. This means you don't need expensive equipment to start your ethical hacking journey. All you need is curiosity, a willingness to learn, and a copy of Kali Linux. Before you can dive into the world of ethical hacking, you need to set up your hacking lab. This is your controlled environment where you'll experiment with Kali Linux and its tools without risking damage to your primary operating system. Don't worry, setting up your lab is easier than it sounds. One popular option is to install Kali Linux in a virtual machine, or VM. A VM is like a computer within a computer, allowing you to run Kali Linux within your existing Windows or macOS operating system. This method provides a safe and isolated environment to learn and experiment. Another option is to dual boot Kali Linux alongside your current operating system. This gives you the flexibility to choose between your regular operating system and Kali Linux at startup. However, dual booting requires partitioning your hard drive and comes with more risk if not done correctly. For a more portable option, consider creating a bootable Kali Linux USB drive. This allows you to boot directly into Kali Linux from a USB drive on almost any computer. It's a convenient way to take your hacking lab with you wherever you go. Once you've chosen your installation method, the process is relatively straightforward. Detailed instructions are available on the official Kali Linux website, guiding you through each step. Remember, installing a new operating system can seem daunting at first, but with a little patience and attention to detail, you'll have your hacking lab up and running in no time. Congratulations on successfully installing Kali Linux. Now the real adventure begins. Upon booting into Kali Linux, you'll be greeted by a desktop environment that might look different from what you're used to. But fear not, it's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. One of the first things you'll want to familiarize yourself with is the terminal. Think of the terminal as a direct line to the heart of your Kali Linux system. The terminal allows you to interact with your computer using text-based commands. While it might seem intimidating at first, mastering basic terminal commands is essential for navigating Kali Linux and unleashing the power of its tools. Some fundamental commands to learn include list directory contents, change directory, print working directory, make directory, and remove. These commands will become your bread and butter as you explore the depths of Kali Linux. Beyond these basic commands, Kali Linux offers a wealth of tools for ethical hacking. Nmap, for example, is a powerful network scanner that allows you to discover devices on a network and identify potential vulnerabilities. Metasploit is another essential tool, providing a framework for developing and executing exploit code against target systems. And Wireshark allows you to capture and analyze network traffic in real time, giving you insights into how data flows across a network. These are just a few examples of the many tools at your disposal in Kali Linux. As you delve into the world of ethical hacking, it's crucial to remember the importance of ethics and legality. Hacking without permission is illegal and can have serious consequences. Ethical hackers operate with a strict code of conduct, always obtaining explicit consent before testing the security of systems. Think of it like a doctor asking for your consent before performing a medical procedure. To practice your skills legally and ethically, several platforms offer simulated hacking environments. Hack the Box, for example, provides a gamified approach to learning penetration testing, allowing you to test your skills against virtual machines with varying levels of difficulty. TryHackMe offers another excellent platform with guided walkthroughs and challenges to help you learn and practice ethical hacking. And for those seeking real-world experience, bug bounty programs offer rewards for finding and reporting vulnerabilities in software and websites. As you continue your journey into ethical hacking, Remember that learning never stops. The field of cybersecurity is constantly evolving, with new threats and vulnerabilities emerging all the time. Stay curious, stay informed, and never stop learning. The skills you develop as an ethical hacker are in high demand, and your contributions can help make the digital world a safer place for everyone.